Hi guys. All right, I want to do like a my truth video. While I do my makeup, I actually have to go to the grocery store. Really fun stuff. I really want to like put on my playlist, but then this video won't be monetized and then I won't be able to feed my kids. So free. Okay. Right, like set a little vibe, right? All right, hold on. All right, so my truth. Well, I feel like, one, I'm so grateful for YouTube because over the years it's given me a place to, this is like too loud, but then it's like too low. I'm trying to find that like perfect volume. It's very important. Is this not my color? I think this is my color. I'm falling apart. I'm so grateful for YouTube because over, gosh, how long has it been? 10, 11 years? It's been such a great platform for me to express myself. It's helped me stay in tune with like the true essence of myself. You know, I don't know if it makes fucking sense. Oh my god. The beauty community definitely has changed. I'm aware of it. I don't watch a lot of trending videos. I am a little bit more open now to them because I get the entertainment side of it, but I'm in a space where honestly I just want to show up and just be authentic and just be me again. I miss the days where I didn't care. I just didn't give a fuck. I watched some of my old videos and yeah, I was like a little slow, but I mean, I didn't give a fuck. And I admire that about my old self because as much as I, you know, put on this show that I don't care, for so long I've done that. Even like making this video, I'm a little nervous. Am I gonna look okay? Is this okay? Like, is the lighting perfect? And I get really anxious and like have so much anxiety now. I'm gonna get emotional around making YouTube videos because oh my god, this is ridiculous. I don't know, man. I don't know what happened. I used to be a lot more carefree, and yeah, I'm working on showing up here 100% me, not someone that I think I should be, you know. I want to create content that is authentic to me and that, you know, expresses who I am. No, I'm getting nervous and fidgety. All right, Kasey. So much I feel and so much I want to say. Don't know how to say it. I don't have the correct verbiage to really express myself sometimes, and so I stay quiet. And yeah, I just want to put myself in situations where I can grow through that and challenge myself and get through it, you know. And that's how you build confidence. I miss the days where I would just like sit down in front of my camera and just film. I'm such a crybaby about whatever it is I was like feeling that day or in the mood to film. And then I feel like I just got in this space because the beauty community got so saturated, and I started doing a lot of comparing, and like my videos don't look like her videos, or I don't articulate my words. Or I don't articulate my words like her, or I'm not as pretty as her, you know. I'm so mad at myself. And yeah, I was in that for a long time. Comparison is the thief of joy. Comparison is the thief of joy. Comparison is the thief of joy. When you're in that, you can't truly express yourself and be in your own essence. Now that I can kind of reflect, and I think it's really cool hearing everyone's, I watched a few videos on the whole my truth in the beauty community, and I was so shocked to see like how many people felt the same way I did. And it was kind of like, oh damn, like I'm not alone. A lot of people felt this like pressure, felt all of these changes, especially the OG YouTubers. It kind of made me like do my own reflecting and kind of look at my journey. And yeah, I just wanted to talk about my truth and kind of like let you guys know, for those of you that want to start a channel or that have a channel, like please don't be like me and compare yourself constantly to these other creators. Do your own thing. Every time I would go to do my own thing, like here on my channel, like I would get criticized, like, oh that's dumb, or why do you do that, or blah, blah, blah. Like I don't like when you edit like this. For a long time, like I stopped editing how I truly wanted to edit because of all of the comments. And again, back then I would tell you guys like, oh, YouTube or like haters don't bother me, but they fucking did. I'm so grateful though for this whole YouTube journey. Even the negative people that are the people that have said not so nice things, like even those people, I'm grateful for this whole experience, because the opportunity to work from home, as a lot of you guys know, I have 5 kids, so it's like I can't sit on here and say one bad thing, because I'm so grateful for this whole opportunity, and for those of you that support me. And I know I'm not super consistent, but even just what I do post and like what I'm doing is enough for me to work from home. And I'm just, again, so grateful for that kind of opportunity. Like I'm just a mom in her house with a camera and makeup and just kind of like channeling, I guess, my inner little girl, and that's really cool. I think what you pay attention to is your reality, so just pay attention to the things that you pay attention to. That's a huge life lesson for me this year. I stopped doing makeup because I'm talking. I can't like do my makeup and talk at the same time. I should have known that. Where? Ooh. I hear a lot of people saying like, oh, I miss like the old YouTube days when people would just do reviews, or people would just sit down and do their makeup, and those people are still out there. You just have to pay attention to them. I think that people get so caught up in watching what's trending, and some of the people, like Nikki Tutorials, you guys, she's incredible. She is probably like the one person that, like, out of all the trending people, that I respect so much. Her passion for makeup, like everything about her, like, is just I just adore her so much. But there are some other trending videos that, like, me personally, I just can't connect to. So when it comes to just like the good old reviews and makeup tutorials, there are so many lovely women out there. And again, they don't have thousands or millions of subscribers or followers, but there are women out there that are creating simple content, simplicity and authentic, organic content. You just gotta look, I guess. Oh, I got a little emotional there, and that's what I was afraid of. But I mean, I'm a very vulnerable person. I don't know how not to be that way. I really truly believe I'm wired that way, because when I'm not being vulnerable, like, it doesn't feel right. You know what I'm saying? Like, I just don't know how not to be that way. For a while there, I thought it was like a curse. I was listening to this podcast earlier and the whole topic was the topic was all is well, and he just talked about how it is the I that always will have us thinking that things aren't well. It's always I, and it's that one little word that makes us go inward and really like shut down and create problems and create things that aren't really there. It's a mood, I guess. I'm not gonna do any blush, so I'm just gonna, or contour. So when I don't do blush or contour, I I mean, I don't go heavy with my bronzer, like bring it a little bit further down so it acts like a blush. Another thing I want to admit is, you know, I stopped being super vulnerable on here because people were so mean to me, so mean. So I just really, it made me step back and not share as much because I didn't want anyone to be mean to me. Basically, we're gonna get through it, and yeah. And then in my heart, when I think about like, when I would think about like, well, am I done with YouTube? And my videos weren't monetized and I didn't make money from YouTube, I would still do it because I love editing. I love just expressing myself in general, like this platform and Instagram too, and Tumblr and Twitter, all that. They're just platforms for me. They're tools for me to like express myself in, you know, in hopes that I inspire someone else and can make someone else's day better. Or even if I'm having a shitty day and I can at least like relate to you guys and you guys know that like you're not alone. Because on my days where I'm feeling shitty, like I have people that I follow and people in my real life too, but there's these people that share their stories and it makes me feel less alone. So it's like I want to do that for someone else too. So I've been discovering myself, and I feel like I'm in this place now where I'm getting a little bit closer to really creating the content that I want to on here without like putting myself in any boxes. And it's just been kind of tricky, but I'm here and I don't want to go anywhere. I just want to be me, man. That's all I want. And I was about to say without being judged, but that's not fair either, because I mean, it's gonna happen. And I've seen that over the past 10 years, I've seen that like there's no escaping people's opinions. Like they're there, they're not going anywhere. So no matter what I do, I might as well be 110% me, you know, because people are going to feel how they're gonna feel regardless, you know. So that's all we can do, guys, is be ourselves. And I've always struggled with that, and I think it's important that we have conversations about that again, so people don't feel like, you know, they have to have it all figured out, because it just doesn't work like that. So I'm gonna warm up my eyelids a little bit. I'm gonna take just the bronzer. I don't know why. So I have been obsessed with this Laura Mercier Extreme Matte Lipstick in the shade Vibe, you guys. Pink color without being like super loud. It's really soft. I love this color. It's ridiculous. I really need to go to the grocery store, but I wanted to get something up for you guys today, and I just wanted to sit down again like I used to. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'm sure it was like awkward as hell, but I think I'm an awkward person. I don't know.